Hey, let me show you how you can change songs with your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. So this gesture works the same for the left and the right earbud. So first let's play it. There we go. And to switch, to go to the next song, you have to triple tap right here. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to turn next song. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And if you want to go for the previous song, you can also do this, but you have to open your application, the AI Live, go to the gestures, open the triple tap, and here you have to adjust the left or the right earbud, because on the both of them, that's the gesture to turn the next song. So for example, on the right one, I want to get the previous song. Right now, when I play this song, and I want to get the previous one, triple tap. As you can see, we are going for the previous song. And that's all. Bye bye.